I got him. Here they go on this side. Stay here, buddy. Matthew, get in here, buddy. I see it. Matthew, look.
These look different. They're like small. See, they're old.
No, they're not going to crash.
Look.
I know, but they're going on different tracks. Look, that's the end of that one. Look, that's the end of that one. Look.
Please don't hit it. No, it's coming. He's coming. A minute. Oh, 7:15.
Looks like this is the end of this one.
Guys, Dad, yeah, we're back here.
Okay.
Look at that.
See, yeah, he's getting off. He's getting ready to change tracks on this one.
See, it's 7:15.
Yeah, but look what's behind it. It's your dude. Look,
Who?
right there. Your BNSF. Look,
Hey, record it.
I'm recording it. Yeah, BNSF at Bowden.
Dad!
What?
Victor is moving in a second.
He's not moving yet. I don't see him yet.
He's about to get close.
Okay, well hold on.
Look what that train, Dad.
Hold on, let me take a picture of this guy.
If he gets closer, I gotta tell him.
But I got your most important one. I got your BNSF. Hey, look at all these
It's moving. Look.
You gotta stay close.
Wait a minute. 2 trains up. Wait, was that 4 trains?
There's more than 4.
8?
Yeah, the BNSF.
The train coming back. Dad, there's a train.
Oh, there he goes, Matthew. He's leaving.
He's not up there.
Stay close. Not only do we see trains, we see big old trucks beeping.
And also trains. Look, trains.
There's your dude. There's the BNSF.
Oh, they just derailed.
No, they didn't derail.
Oh, Dad.
All right, hold on. I'm coming around. Daddy's just checking. There's your BNSF. Daddy took pictures of it.
Take pictures.
I got him.
Oh, crap. Where is somebody moving?
It fell out.
Dad, everybody moving.
I can't understand, so I don't know if it's
Dad, he's coming.
All right, hold on. Let me see.
Come on.
He's not. I don't see him coming yet.
Dad, it did fall out.
Okay, go ahead and hand it to her.
Put a BNSF again.
I'm recording them. I got a lot of recordings of the BNSF. Oh, look. There's the workers getting off. Matthew, look.
Where?
See, look. There's the workers getting off the train. They're getting ready to switch.
Dad, behind you! Something's coming. Oh, God. Dad.
What, buddy? All right.
Dad! Get there! See, get there! Look!
Oh, I see him. I'm recording.
Did they Union Pacific?
I don't know. He's going backwards.
Is he looking at me?
He might.
He's on a different track.
Okay. I got him.
He's on a different track. Train ways.
I know. I see him.
Train ways. Wait.
He's not moving. He's not moving yet. Look how fast this guy's going.
Oh, please don't derail.
He's not going to derail.
But I feel like he almost. It is the Union Pacific.
Yeah, that looks like the one we just saw that had all those cars.
Dad, he's moving. He's moving.
Not yet.
Yes, he is.
Oh, here he goes. Look.
Dad, he's coming. Wait, that's a different track. That's the same one.
Different one.
I think it's a different. Oh, it's the same one. Oh, wait, there.
I know.
Right there. Right there, behind you.
I will. I'll check on him. I'm coming right now. Here I go. I'm coming around. Dave's trying to get all the trains for you.
Dad, how could these?
I see him, but he's not moving yet, so I'm gonna keep recording this guy, okay? Until the other guy starts moving.
But this guy's still going back. Away, sing again.
Yeah, look at that Florida East Coast.
Wait, that's not Florida East Coast.
It says it right there. Look on the side. It says Florida East Coast on it.
Where?
On there. It says it right there on the side.
Turn up the system.
It says Florida East Coast right there on the side.
Wait, there's a train car. Oh, ow!
He's not moving yet. I see him, but that guy's not moving yet.
Maybe it's stopping.
Oh, this one's stopping.
Maybe it's in the car right for like 8:18.
I don't know.
Maybe that game is like it's being called already.
Maybe. But these are.
Dad, somebody's coming because I see a worker back there and someone's coming.
I see a worker.
But somebody has to be coming.
All right.